Hi, I'm Catherine Evans from Wiki-ed.
In this video, we are going to look at the options on the review menu in MindView 8. So I've popped them into the map already. Just close capture down because Max is distracting. And there are three sections: proofing, voice and sources. Now, the first section of proofing is all about proofing your document. There is a spell check document button which has an F7 shortcut, and you can spell check your entire document in one go, but as you can see, it's actually already got a spell checker running. It's giving me the red underlines, and the word spell check without a space, which is as it's written on MindView, comes up as a spelling error. Set language allows you to change the language used to check the spelling, which you might do if you were using a second language. And document statistics gives you an opportunity to look at things like your word count. And in the advanced section, you can see how many branches and how many notes and everything there are in it. So quite comprehensive. There's no shortcuts for those two. And the last one here is predictive suggestions, and that's for use when typing on a branch. You can use a shortcut to do it when you're doing it on a current word, but if I just turn it on for a moment, and what I'll do is I will delete the words in here, and I will try and retype them. So PREDICT predictive just appeared then. It was just down here, predictive suggestions. And it's actually coming up in conjunction with the previous word as well. So you can have that on if spelling is a particular problem for you and you want to work on it as you go. So I'm going to close that off again now. The next section after proofing is the voice section. And on the voice section, you have the read aloud option, which turns on a voice that can read what's in an idea.
Read aloud.
And there is a shortcut for that if you want to hear one aloud, and it's F5. So, I've done that wrong. So right click and cut. I'm just going to go back into the text edit and put in my brackets F5. As I said, there's lots of shortcuts, but we'll learn the ones that you use all the time. The last one in here is the dictate one, which is Control-Shift-D. So if you want to dictate your words into it, you can do. It also works with Dragon, if you have Dragon Naturally Speaking. There's a shortcut again. So if I ping out an idea, I will find my insert key now. There it is. I will go for dictate, node / idea. As you can see, it's not perfect. You'd be better off using this in a text note. It didn't like the word node at all. Fortunately, I don't actually need that there. So I'm just going to delete that. Right click and cut. And the last option in here is sources, and the only thing in it is manage sources, which we already looked at in the video on citations. So that is the review menu.
I'm Catherine Evans from Wiki-ed. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos on assistive technology. And if you want to find me on social media, search for Wiki-ed Essex.